mere fact that it occurred and he was the recipient of oral sex from a person whose home he went to conduct an investigation, regardless as to how that happened, you believe that that is enough to establish the crime of misconduct in office against him?
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Well, just for the record, can you tell us what was he supposed to do?
What was he supposed to do?
Yes, sir. Was he supposed to punch her and knock her off of him? I'm just trying to
No.
get some idea.
You know, I can't say, but he was not supposed to receive oral sex, and to back away, and I guess if I were him, I would go get the FTO and tell him what's going on. He was not, no, he was not supposed to receive oral sex.
Is there any information from his statement, which I do not have, but you said you have?
Yes, sir.
We don't have it from the solicitor's office yet.
Yes, sir.
Is there indication from his statement that he did indeed try to convince her not to do what she apparently did?
He did say in his statement
What did he say?
that he was hesitant at first.
He was hesitant at first.
Yes, sir.
Did he say what physical things he did to show his hesitancy?
I would have to go back and read his statement.
But you can't remember.
Yes, sir, I don't want to say anything else.
No, sir, Your Honor, just the fact that I think that states a proven probable cause and ask you to bound this over. Due to the investigations and statements both on the victim, the witness, and also the defendant admitting to the above crime, I think we have established enough probable cause to bound this forward. Thank you, Your Honor.
Brief argument, Your Honor. Again, I've not seen the statement, so I'm at a somewhat disadvantage. But based upon the officer's testimony, he says my client has admitted to the above crime. And again, assuming he did make a statement, he may have admitted to an act, but I don't think he admitted to a crime. In order for there to be a crime, there must be some criminal intent. And in this particular situation, what you have is an unfortunate seductress who is attempting to perform an oral act in order to convince the law enforcement officer for not doing his job. Now, be that as it may, maybe there's some assertions here as to what should or should not have happened. But that's why I've asked this officer, what is it that you're claiming that he did that amounts to a crime? I believe that there is not enough evidence to establish the basis for a criminal act because there is not enough evidence for criminal intent. Acquiescence, in my humble opinion and legal argument, does not necessarily amount to criminal intent. If you really look at this case in its true picture, the true victim in this case arguably is Dereck Johnson, because Dereck Johnson is not the one who initiated the alleged act that led to the reason why he's here today.